In this question, in triangle MNP, this NQ, seg NQ is given bisector. This shown by these symbols, bisector symbols. So therefore, this NQ is bisector of angle MNP, is bisected. So this N vertex, that is N angle, is bisector. So corresponding, that considering side of this N vertex is NM and NP. Therefore, NM upon NP is equal to this Q, divide this side into MQ and QP part, is equal to MQ upon QP. And this statement, these ratios are equal by angle bisector theorem. Since angle bisector is given, we are using angle bisector theorem to find out the length of QP. Therefore, ratios are NM upon NP is equal to MQ upon QP. Now, NM is given 25, NP is given 40 is equal to 14 upon QP. By cross multiplication, 25 multiplied by QP is equal to 14 into 40. QP is equal to 14 into 40 upon 25. 560 upon 25, division is 22.4. Therefore, length of QP is 22.4 unit. Question number 7. In this question, 3 segments are given parallel in the question. Seg AB, seg BC and seg FE are parallel to each other given in the question. Students, all of you write questions from the textbook and then you are writing answer. Don't write answer directly. I am not writing a question. I am directly giving answers. So please write down question from the textbook. Seg AB parallel seg BC and parallel to seg FE given in the question. And these two lines, that is line BF and line AE, these two are transversal of these 3 parallel segments. Therefore, by the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal, the ratios or intercepts forms the ratio and the ratios are equal. Therefore, the intercepts are AC and CE, so their ratios are AC upon CE is equal to BD upon DF, and reason is property of 3 parallel lines. AC is given 12, CE is not given, that is X, it is equal to BD 8 and DF 4. By cross multiplication, 8 multiplied by X is equal to 12 multiplied by 4. X equal to 12 4 the 48 upon 8. X value is 6. Division is 6. Therefore, value of X is 6 unit. Now, AE we are going to find. So, second sub question in this question is to find out AE. AE is equal to AC plus CE. These 2 segments when we join, then AE is formed. Therefore, AC is given 12. CE, that is X, just now we find 6. 12 plus 6 gives 18. Therefore, length of AE is 18 unit.